Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your product photos for advertising in Canva. For instance, you want to promote a lotion. I'm just going to go to photos here and I'll add like a tube of lotion. I'm going to add this as well because that looks great. Lotion tube maybe here. And I'll add this one to the image and I'll just make it a little bit slanted like so. I'm just going to use my shift key here to crop like half of it, and I'll just copy and paste that, and I'll just crop that. And I'll crop this side out like that. Then I'm going to copy and paste this for a sec here and leave it to the side. And I'll do circle frame. And I'll just use this one, and I'm going to place that inside. I'm only going to be using this part though, and I'm going to just go to edit image and I'm just going to adjust it so it's darker, just like a little bit, and I'm going to resize that. Don't worry about this, we'll fix that later. We're going to create like this shape here. Just going to make that a little bit bigger. So it looks like it's cut in half, and we'll do that for this one. Let's just adjust it like so. And you can kind of adjust the layers if you'd like to, but I think whoops. I always accidentally press that. I think I'm just going to put this behind like that. Oh, let me just adjust that a little bit as well here. There we go. Then I'm going to add in a text here that says lotion. You can type in your brand name, of course. I'll just use this font. And again, I'm going to select it and I'm going to make it like that. You can use any color text you want for this as well. Just make this a little bit bigger here. And I might change the color of the background. I think I'm just going to put this off to like the side here. Let's see what color I want for this. I'll just choose that one. And I might change this color as well. There. Then I am going to go to elements and I'm going to type in blur. I'll just use this one, and actually, okay, I'm going to choose shadow instead, sorry. See all, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm just going to place that, or that one. Just resize that, and I'm going to place that underneath the text here, like so. And the product as well, like that. And that is pretty much it. You can add in some other elements like some milk. For instance, your lotion is hydrating here, if you'd like to. I keep on pressing that. I'm so sorry. I cannot see my keyboard. But that is pretty much how you can make your product photo a little bit better. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!